Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Kyra in Texas on the Stryker SR-955HP version 2. Kyra, it's ready to go for you, converted and tuned. There you are on a CB band. We're going to start with R power all the way down. 50 watt slug. There's 2 watts, so if you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. If you're not going to run an amp, you can run it wide open. There's 20. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 36. 100 watt slug and peak. Low 80 PEP. Alright, Kyra, we're going to get this out to you down to the Longhorn State from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.